Oh, yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome in. In this video, I wanted to show you how to ground a part to the origin. So I've known how to ground a part. I mean, that's easy. Just right click, hit ground it, right? You know how to place a part, but how do you ground a part to the origin? That, I did some research on that and I didn't really find anything on the internet, but I just kind of just experimenting and I saw how easy it was. So without me rambling, let me show you how to do this. And you probably already know how to do it. You probably should have told me how to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to New. I'm going to start an assembly drawing. So I'm going to go to English, Standard, IAM, hit the Create. I'm going to place a part. So I don't know, it's just a random part. I'm going to go to Place, look for a specific item. I don't know, maybe this small wheel here. I'm going to click Open. Now, before you put it down somewhere, what I found is all you got to do is right-click your mouse, and you'll get this kind of a menu pop up. So you can see Place Grounded at Origin. I've never in my life done that, but we're going to do it now. So I'm going to click Place Grounded at Origin. Bam. And so just to verify that, let me right-click because I only want one copy. I'm going to hit OK. I'm gonna go to my origin here. I'm just gonna turn on all the visibility of all these planes and axes and whatnot. Let me just select all these. And right click, hit the visibility. You can kind of see that wheel is kind of locked in. The center of our origin is right there in the center of our wheel, right? So we can't move it. It's grounded. So yeah, that was super easy. And I feel better now that I know how to do that. And I wanted to share that with y'all. All right, so peace out.